teach you how to draw Shadow the Hedgehog, which is not like this. That's bad. So we're going to cross the actual good image out, and then we're gonna draw a circle, and we're going to draw the pupils because they're very important. We're gonna draw the nose. I hurt everywhere. And we're going to color it in, and we're gonna do the fluff and do the body, and we're gonna do the circles. And that's it. That's just Shadow. That's the entire thing. Okay, I'm going to burn now. Bye.